Okay, just to wrap up, I just wanted to say I hope these videos, those of you that watch it, get a little out of it. I enjoyed putting it together. Maybe I'll put some more stuff. Maybe if there's something in particular you're interested in, might leave it in the comments. I may or may not get to it, but anyhow, thanks for watching. I do want to add one last little tip, and that is that using these bank buttons to store the settings in, you can actually save those out and pull them back in. So if you got some things you're doing, have one set, something else you're going to be doing, have another set. There's only 4 buttons, but they're easy to save out and load. So I'll show you real quick how to do that. Okay, so let's say that we've just done some of the recording I've shown earlier in the other files, and I have out here 4 different things in the bank. So press number 1, it's ambient grand with live strings. Number 2 is the same thing. I happen to know the difference between these is the volume that they're set on, because the song gets louder later near the end. Then here's one I had for sweet trumpet, and here's one I had for French horn. So maybe I'm getting ready to start another song and I need completely different ones. I could overwrite those, but then I'd have to set them up again if I want to use them for this song I've just been recording. So what we can do is we can go over here to File Control, and so we can use the category buttons here to move back and forth. So there's different things I can do with the File Control of the USB. So I have put in a USB stick right here. So that's what I'm going to be writing and reading from for this. So there's user delete and all different things. So what I want to find is register save. Okay. And so that's what I'm going to do. So I've got register saved. I'm going to do execute. And I'll come back over here. It says, please enter a name. I can use the minus button, or, well, let me use the 0 button. See, get a little closer. See how it's moving my cursor over to the right? That's the 0 button. By them, I'm talking about these buttons here. And I can hit the minus and move it back to the left. And then the plus button is deleting characters. The dial, I believe, moves me through letters, okay? So user, I'll just call this user Z. Lowercase z. I don't want to scroll through all of them, you get the idea. So I do that, I've got a name. Then I come back over here and I select execute. It's saying save okay, question mark. And yes is the plus, as always. So I'll hit the plus and it's completed. So now I have that registry saved to my little USB here. So now, let's say I want to load some up. I'm going to go into File Control again. Then I come back over here and I'm on Register Save. Load is up at the top left. That probably means if I move over to the left one, I have load, which I do. And here's the different ones in here. I'm using my up and down arrow. There's user Z. That's the one I just saved. But let me pull this one up. Let me hit execute. Load OK. Plus for yes. Completed. And I'll hit exit. Let's see what these buttons happen to be. Okay, that's sweet trumpet, French horn, French horn. The difference in them again, and just those, is the volume. I used those in one of the videos also. So you can load and save as many of those as you want. You need to name them so that you'll know, in a way, you'll know what they are instead of what I just did. Or keep yourself a document that lists what files you need to load in order to use those. So that was my last little tidbit of fun. Hopefully you'll find all of this useful, and I guess that's it. So here we go, and happy keyboarding. We will talk to you maybe in the future.